Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to demonstrate you 7 video editing tools that I have used to edit my videos. Hope this video helps all the young YouTubers. The first one that I'm going to demonstrate is Filmora Go. In this, when you open, you get the two option. I'm moving forward with create new video. Under this, you get the option to import video, photos, preset. That means you can have a blank background in different colors. You can go to Facebook, Instagram, or Google for the images or videos that you want. Now I'm selecting photos and few photos that I'm going to show you by editing them. Now after importing all these photos, you can see the option of add. Now once you've added few and you want to add more, you can always click on this option. Right hand side, you can see the other options of themes, music, transition and ratio. I'm going to demonstrate the option of ratio right now. In this, as you can see on the left hand side, there are different ratios of the screen that is coming. There is also option to blur the sides and cut out the sides. Next, you see the option of transition. In this, by clicking on the plus sign, you can add different transition. There are total 19 options available of transitions. The next thing is, while clicking on any particular photo, you get the option to edit that pic. For example, duration, crop, subtitle, voiceover can be added, filters, overlays, elements and titles. See titles also, we have few options available that are in predefined format. In this, you can select one and click on OK. As you can see in top right corner, there are also options for some elements that could be added. For example, here I am adding a heart. There are other options as well on which I'll click and show that what exactly is under them. On bottom right corner, you can see there's option for manage. By clicking on that, you can arrange the options that are available in the bottom. For example, duration option is not an important one for you. You can place that option at the last. On right hand side, you can see the option for theme. When you choose a particular theme, the name of the theme comes. For example, fashion theme. Here we have used the Chaplin, and then we are saving the video. We'll export it and we'll see that there is the logo of this editor will come in the end. Now we will play the preview. The next editor is Bcut. This is very simple editor. If you want to do basic video editing, for example trimming and a simple song, you can use it. From the interface only you can see how simple that was. The next is Funimate. In this video you get two basic options of editing and shooting a video. I'm selecting few photos which I'll use for editing. As you can see, there are options for selecting video format. You'll see the main window of this app, and there are few basic option of editing. When I'm trying to save this and I'm removing the watermark, this is the thing I get. To take subscription, there is 7-day free trial. I can save it privately if I want the video. So this is Funimate. The next one is InShot. I'll select new, I'll select few photos, the same process, and I'll choose for editing. On main screen, you can see the options. You don't get a logo bottom or in the end, but there are few options. On selecting those, you might get the logo, but those are very few. For example, in Canvas, you get this. If you select full, you can see the logo at the bottom. You get the option to add stickers and to add text. Stickers need to be downloaded. Some are free and most of them are paid one. There are other options as well which I'll click and demonstrate you. The next is the video show. In this, as we can see, we get the two option: edit video and effects. We'll select few photos and we'll start editing it. We can see the basic options that are available, but we can see there's a logo at the bottom, which if you will remove, it will ask that you upgrade it and take a pro version. I will demonstrate the options that are available in this app for editing. The next one is Viva Video. In this again we get the two option. We select few photos. We are going to try make some video out of it, and we see the options which are quite basic, but again we have logo at the bottom, and this is the subscription fee that is being asked. So this is all about it. You can see some options available at the bottom. Next video editor is UCut. In this, it's similar to InShot, and you get more options over here to edit and to add transition as well. There are few options over here which are updated once you take the pro version, but those are minor and won't create much difference. So yeah, InShot and UCut are almost similar video version. You can see the quality that we have over here. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.